by 1. We haven't changed anything. Okay? Now because I want tan, I don't have a business, it has to be sine over cos, which means I'm going to divide this by cos A.
Yeah.
I'm going to divide this by cos B.
Yes.
I'm going to divide this by cos A and cos B.
Yeah.
So basically, I'm just going to divide everything by cos A, cos B.
Yeah.
And we'll see what happens. So I'm going to say times 1 over cos A, cos B, another 1 over cos A, cos B. Okay?
Yeah.
So I will have, please focus, this implies tan A plus B is equal to, no, I need space there. Yeah, sorry. Tan A plus B is equal to, now check this out. So remember, this is a binomial term.
Yes.
So if this was 1 over 2, it will be the first one divided by 2, the second one divided by 2.
Yes.
So basically, this is going to be what? Sine A cos B divided by
Cos A cos B
cos A cos B.
plus
Plus, Elsin, I'll send you out of the class if you are too, I don't know why you have to just deviate each time, talk about something. Can you focus on what we are talking about here? And leave your side comments. Someone is beside you and I need him to concentrate. You don't have a problem, don't create a problem for him. If you have anything to discuss, please go and say it outside. Don't make me kick you out of this class. Yes? What do we have?
cos A
Cos A,
Cos B.
cos B.
Over.
over
Cos
A cos B.
So, we're going to do that for each of them, for obvious reason, right? Sine A,
Sine B
sine B divided by
cos A cos B.
So we haven't changed anything because we just multiplied by 1.
Yeah.
We multiplied by 1 because we are dividing by the same thing, so that's 1. Okay, and this will give tan A plus B is equal to, what is the first one? Do you notice something? What do you notice?
Cos
A.
B can cancel.
Cos B can cancel. Yanko, that's the first thing to be noticed.
And then you have just tan A.
Tan.
So we have just tan A.
Wow.
Yes, what else?
Cos A and
cos
cos A
A
can cancel.
Cos A cancels,
And you get tan B.
that's tan B.
Plus tan B.
What else?
Cos A, cos B, and cos A, cos B can cancel.
Okay, so, oh, everything cancels here.
Yes.
Yes.
It becomes 1.
One.
So we have 1. We are so lucky, guys.
Minus.
Minus
Tan
tan
A,
tan
tan
B.
tan B. And that is the compound angle for tan, addition for tan. So, one thing I want you to do is to complete this note for the minus. It's the same way.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay? I want you to do that before tomorrow.
Okay.
Because of our time and also because I want you to try it yourself. We only have 3 minutes. Okay? So that's it.
What are you eating today?
I was thinking just getting a salad, but
I want char siu fan.
with an order.
I'm getting char siu fan. You want to come with?
So I'll just write the beginning. Then you continue.
Yeah, okay. I'm so glad I did my English IELTS on Monday, so I don't need to worry about it.
Actually, no, my business, she did approve it. She gave me a 7 out of 10, but I picked a failed company, and you know, so I picked a failed company.
7 out of 10 is not bad.
But I picked a failed company, Toys R Us.
Toys R Us is back, you know.
Yeah, I know, but it's gone again
It's gone again? Oh.
because of COVID, the virus.
I know, right?
This is.
Dude, subscribe to him. He makes such good videos.
Okay, you guys need to send me that YouTube channel link.
I'll send him it.
You guys make it sound like it's so
I'm
interesting.
in the middle of it, but this just turned around.
His storytelling skill is so good.
It's really good.
Yeah. I'll send out
I
the
have no idea
group
too.
chat.
But I have to watch it. Somebody send me the link.
I don't know if spelled it for you, but holy what?
Just search whatever I just sent to the WeChat group on YouTube.
Okay.
Cancel.
Can you put this a modal? Because sometimes you put it on WeChat and then we have all the messages and then we can't see.
No problems.
Second one. First one.
I think that's not a problem. The
Subscribe to
problem
right
is that
now.
it,
Is this
Oh,
one?
and then the laptop that like
This
doesn't
one's
connect
one's
with the
okay,
phone.
one's
So
What's that?
So it's
the WeChat laptop, like the laptop right there, the computer version of WeChat.
yeah,
no,
interesting
sometimes the
for-
file expires.
Okay.
Yeah.
They can't open it at all.
And also,
Just
this-
tell me I'll send you a model anytime.
I think one of the
Discuss
best
that.
ones is the, what is it called? No, not this one.
Okay, so we can go for lunch.
One of the most interesting ones.
For the tan, please, guys.
Wait,
So again, you do the third column. I think by now,
this one,
after
this
you
one,
have
this one.
done the A minus B yourself, you should be able to complete pages 1 and 2 of this worksheet.
Okay.
So when you come to class tomorrow, we will look at how to do the last 2 pages. I call these compound angles 1 because there is an extension. I don't want to put all the questions together. It will be too much and too complicated. So there's an extension, like more application, more rigorous application, like interesting applications as you see. Okay, that are coming up. So they will be in a different worksheet. So let's just say this is the beginners part of the worksheet. And even though we have divided the beginners part into 2 lessons.
Beginners.
All right. No, we have been too slow like this because we are proving it and using it.
Mm-hmm.
If we just state it directly, then we would have completed everything. But I need you to I need you to understand this as well. All right. So see you next time.
Oh, and also,
Yeah.
really quick, I have a question.
Okay.
This is way more I think it's way more complicated than it needs to be. But that's what I found at the end, so.
Or maybe it's a typo again. So maybe I will check. Let's check on. But I picked most of them from your book and I added some stuff.
Yeah, so I think I did my best to plan for this on this. I'm not joking. It's about elevations in rice fields. Like bending up rice fields, like staircase rice fields. That's what I'm gonna do. I want to like cut it into like a 3x3. And then to move it around. But then if I can't have a physical thing to interact with what making, I don't know how to do it. Just drawing it takes a long time. I don't know.
Get older, does it?
I don't need what it is.
1 plus cos, right? Just simplify. One plus cos over cosec minus sec tan plus
Oh,
cos.
that's correct, yeah.
And that's correct. So
So
you
let's
just
just do it way more complicated than
Yeah.
it needs to be.
maybe why don't you change cos to cos over sine, and this to 1 over sine, and this to 1 over cos, sine over cos, something like that.
Oh no, I did like I just.
Because you're having too many different trig ratios. You're having tan, sec, cosec. Change everything to sine and cos.
Okay.
Okay, so this would be sine over cos,
Yeah.
cos over sine, then you can combine as a single fraction.
Yeah.
So you're going to have something divided by maybe sine cos, and the sine cos at the bottom will go back to the top.
Yeah.
So try that, and going back to the top might end up cancelling something here.
Yeah.
So think of it that
Yeah,
way.
okay.
Yeah, it shouldn't be this complicated. Again, if you notice any error, please tell me.
Stop
It might be that I mistakenly typed something.
It
Okay,
says rec,
can-
so it's recorded.